Okay, so now here we have a layer normalization. A layer normalization layer norm is a technique that keeps activation of a neural network stable. Layer norm keeps every layer calm, balanced, and not too big or too small. Layer norm keeps every layer calm, balanced, and not too big or too small. Just like how temperature is kept normal, blood pressure is kept normal. Layer norm keeps neuron values normal. Why do we need layer norm? Because without normalization, model becomes unstable, training becomes slow, gradients explode or vanish, loss goes up and down randomly. So layer normalization fixes all this. Normalize all normalize all values inside one layer for each training example. Normalizing all values inside one layer for each training example. How it works. Imagine we have a 4 neuron in a layer, 3, 7, 10, 5, 4 neuron in a layer. These numbers are too big and uneven. Layer nodes will find their average, find how spread out they are, make all values balance around 0, slightly scaling and shifting. Find result becomes something like this. Now they are small, stable, similar scale. Model learns much faster. Where is used? Transformer, every bird, GPT-5, Llama model uses layer norm. RNN to make sequence learning stable to stop training collapse. Some models use layer norm instead of patch norm. Feature patch norm. Layer norm versus patch norm. Feature patch norm layer norm. Normalize across patch score feature. Need big patch used in transformer, used in CNN. Yes, sometimes no. Yes. Training always use layer norm because patches are small and sequence length is different. Formula here we have a mean, square root, variance, alpha, beta. Your neuron values x is your neuron values mean average of that layer. How different the values are. Scale up, shift, normalize, scale, shift, that's it. Layer normalization normalize the activations inside a single layer for each training sample. It keeps all neuron values stable by subtracting the layer mean and dividing by variance. It works better than batch norm for sequence models and transformer because it does not depend on batch size. What is the residual connections? Residual connection shortcut. It means we add the original input directly to the output of a layer. It means we add the original input directly to the output of a layer. This helps model learn faster and not forget important information. Imagine you have a math problem. You give it to your friend, the neural network layer. You give it to your friend. Your friend solves it but maybe makes mistakes, so you add the original problem again to fix his mistake. You add the original problem again to fix his mistake. This adding original input back is called a residual connection. Why? Why do we need it? Without residual connection, deep models forget old information. Without without model without residual connection, deep models forget old information. Gradient vanish, training becomes slow, model accuracy becomes slow. With residual connection, information can flow easily, and training becomes super fast. Model can go very deep. Famous formula: fx plus x. X is the input or output, then fx plus x. X is the input and networks transformation, and add shortcut. This makes the network say even if I fail, I can still use the original input. Where it is used, ResNet, residual network. This is why ResNet works so well with this type of layers transformer Every transformer block has itself a connection add knob, feed network, add knob. Both use residual connection guards are an LSTM enhancement used in almost every modern AI architecture. Visual without residual layer output with residual layer then fx plus we are adding x shortcut path skip the layer. Residual connection adds the input of a layer directly to its output. This shortcut helps gradient flow better, prevents vanishing gradients, and allow every deep network like ResNet and transformer to train easily. स्किप कनेक्शन स्किप कनेक्शन का मतलब होता है इनपुट को शॉर्टकट से आगे वाले लेयर तक भेज देना बिना बीच के लेयर से गुजरे। स्किप कनेक्शन मीन्स स्किप कनेक्शन का मतलब है इनपुट को शॉर्टकट से आगे वाले लेयर तक भेज देना। मीन्स just we are putting the input to the next layer। इनपुट को शॉर्टकट से आगे वाले लेयर तक भेज देना बिना बीच के लेयर से गुजरे। ओके, वाई डू वी नीड स्किप कनेक्शन? डीप न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स में प्रॉब्लम होती है, ग्रेडियंट वैनिश हो जाती है, लर्निंग स्लो हो जाती है, मॉडल डीप होने से और ख़राब हो जाता है, डिग्रेडेशन प्रॉब्लम बोलते हैं। स्किप कनेक्शन ग्रेडियंट को सीधा आगे तक फ्लो करने देता है, नेटवर्क डीप होने के बाद भी इजीली ट्रेन होता है। और हाउ इट वर्क्स, एज यू इनपुट लेयर आउटपुट स्किप कनेक्शन करता है। लेयर को सीख रहा है, लेयर जो सीख रही है वो सिर्फ एक्स्ट्रा चेंजेस सीखती है और इन्फॉर्मेशन सेव रहती है। इसको बोलते हैं रेसिडुअल लर्निंग। नो मैनेजिंग ग्रेडियंट प्रॉब्लम, ग्रेडियंट सीधा शॉर्टकट से प्रोपगेशन होता है, फास्ट ट्रेनिंग मॉडल कम स्ट्रगल करता है, डीपर नेटवर्क पॉसिबल, 100+ लेयर भी ट्रेन होते हैं, बेटर एक्यूरेसी बिकॉज नेटवर्क लर्न्स रेसिडुअल नॉट मैपिंग। वी आर यूज ResNet यूनिट सेगमेंटेशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर memory skip connection shortcut fx plus x help network a don't forget the original input, solve vanishing gradient, make deep models learn fast. What is object detection? Object detection means finding what object is in the image, finding where the object is. Model says dog and draws a rectangle around the dog. Model says dog and draws a rectangle around the dog. You only look once. YOLO is a very fast object detection model. Why it is called you? Why is it called you only look at once? You only look once because the model looks at the image only one time and gives all the prediction in one shot. Older models looked many times slow. YOLO looks once and fast. The image is divided into small grids like a chessboard. Okay, each grid predicts bounding box X, Y with side correspondence. Is there an object? Dog, cat, person, class. YOLO combines all prediction and gives final box. YOLO prediction. Each grid cell output X, Y. Where is the center of the object? Size of the object. Width, height, confidence. House where the model is. Class. Dog, cat, person. The best prediction becomes the final result. Why YOLO is powerful? Very fast, real time, end to end model, only high accuracy, only one pass, only high accuracy, works well on mobile CCTV real time. CCTV monitoring. YOLO is used in CCTV monitoring, traffic detection, self-driving cars, face mask detection, and where I think I have just object detection. Okay, so YOLO combines all protection and gives final. YOLO protection, cat, dog, YOLO end to end. Okay, then YOLO means you only look once. It is a real-time object detection model. It divides the image into grids and each grid predicts bounding boxes, confidence score and object classes. YOLO is a very fast because it processes the image in a single pass, unlike older models that repeated multiple passes.